Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install Avast extension to Google Chrome. Open any Chrome browser, then click on these three dots, walk cursor to more tools, then here click on extensions. Now click here, then click on Open Chrome Web Store. Search here Avast. You will see Avast Online Security and Privacy. Just select it. Now here click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Now here you will see Avast Online Security and Privacy installed successfully. Now click here Extension, then pin Avast Online Security. So this is the way guys you can download and install Avast extension to your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.